Hello, welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about sodium bicarbonate, um, supplementing with sodium bicarbonate and using it to maintain muscle pH levels. This can be important for short duration, high intensity activities. So let's take a look at sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is found out here. It is very basic. It's the opposite of an acid. It's very basic on the pH scale. And what it does is it can buffer the production of hydrogen ions when lactic acid is formed. Lactic acid is formed. Hydrogen ions acidify the muscles, acidify the blood, and sodium bicarbonate in your blood can neutralize this acid and allow you to go just a little bit longer before that change in pH results in your activity stopping. So, how do you use sodium bicarbonate? To use sodium bicarbonate, you need around 300 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. This is a lot of sodium ions. So this is not something you want to do regularly. Most people will take in about 20 grams of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, and this will last about 3 to 5 hours. So you need to time this about 2 to 3 hours prior to your exercise. Now, it will only enhance performance for activities lasting just a little bit longer than 2 minutes in that sort of 2 to 5 minute range. It's not particularly good for activities much longer than that. It will decrease the pH changes produced by lactic acid in your blood. My recommendation is that you would use sodium bicarbonate only in special training sessions where you're at race pace for an event lasting 2 to 5 minutes, because taking sodium bicarbonate will definitely exceed your dietary reference intakes for sodium. For salt, which is only 2,000 milligrams per day, 2 grams versus 20 grams. So you're taking 10 times the dietary reference intake. So this is not something you would like to do very often.